These engines, we just rebuilt one that has 1.4 million miles on it. As we've seen with other rebuilds, we have full confidence that it's going to just run for a very long time. It's hard to leave a Cat engine. They're very simple, they're very straightforward, they get the job done. They're just as efficient as some of the new engines that we can buy, which is incredible. It makes a lot of sense if we're able to spend whatever it ends up being, 15 to 30 grand on a rebuild. We get warranty with a certain time but unlimited miles, and your engine is your most likely to fail part on a truck. But you have all that warranty and it's reputable, and it seems that every time we rebuild them we get years without issues, and so it's kind of a win-win in terms of the ROI that you get on a rebuild. We feel it's really worth it, that it doesn't take more than a year before we start seeing that the initial money we put up front to a rebuild is worth more to us per mile, I guess you could say, than going new.